Hi guys, yesterday it was my birthday and these are all the gifts I received yesterday and I'm gonna open them. So let's see this. I'm so excited. This is the gift that I got from my mom and dad. This is one more gift that I got from my mom and dad. And this is a gift that I got from my sister. This is a gift that I got from one of my close friends. This is from my relatives, Sanvi and family. This is from one of my friends called Sanvi. This is Sanvi to Sanvi. Then this is from my grandparents. This is from my aunt, from my cousin, and from my other aunt. This is from my best friend. These are from one of my close friends. So let's open them. First I'm going to open my blender bottle. This is my blender bottle. It's pink in color, tomato pink. The rest of the video of this process you can see in my mom's YouTube channel. I'm going to keep this aside. And next, this is my Instax camera that I got from my mom and dad. It's a Fujifilm Instax camera. It has a camera inside and it's a happiness box. So it has everything that I want. Film. This is one of the pictures I clicked yesterday. It's an instant photo from an instant camera. So this is the camera and these are all the props I got with it. This is for hanging on strings. These are the films I got. This is the camera and this is the album and a few fridge magnets. I can attach the photo inside this and hang it on my fridge. If you want to see this camera more in detail, you can check it out in my mom's channel. This is my watch that I got from my sister. It's a smart watch, Pebble. And this is a smartwatch. And I really like it as it's very usable. It has all features that I like. This is a plant from one of my close friends, Suhani. It's an indoor plant and I really like the ceramic vase. And the pebbles look so cute under the plant. This is from Dhanvi and her family. He is one of my close cousins. She is one of my close cousins. This is from my best friend and she knows everything that I like. My favorite chocolate in the world. Ferrero Rocher. These are from my few other friends. This is from one of my favorite accessory stores, Pink Lemon. And this has a scrunchie, a heart keychain, and a very beautiful bracelet. Thank you, Charanya. And this is from another friend of mine, Pratiksha. This is a photo frame. I'll use this for my Instax pictures. And it even has one small bunny keychain. I really like it. Thank you, Pratiksha. And this is from Sanvi. So Sanvi. And let me see what this is. Ooh. And everyone in my school knows that I love art supplies. And this is such a beautiful neon colored brush pen. Thank you, Sanvi. And this is from my friend Pavishka. It's a very beautiful necklace, earring and a ring set. I really like it a lot. And this is from my friend Pavishka. It's a very cute necklace, earring and ring set. I really like it. Thank you, Pavishka and Charita. This is my grandparents' gift. My grandma and my grandpa gave this to me. This is a magnetic science kit, magnetic set, senior. I want to open this. Wow. It has all types of magnets. Magnets make compass go rotating all sides. Compass is going mad due to the magnetic reaction on it. It's from my uncle and aunt. And this is our young scientist kit. Thank you, Pachi and Appa. And this is from Niyati, my naughty sister. And one more jumbo electromagnetic set. And this is my favorite Navi and my elder sister's gift. And this is the 100 classic games set, and it has almost all the games like Chinese checker, Ludo, then chess, and so many more. Snake and ladder, and there are so many more. And thank you Mavi Mantu and Shishaka Shwitaka. Thank you everyone for all your gifts and wishes, and to make my team birthday a memorable one. Thank you all.